Hello everyone, a quick little review of this, the Titan series Gooloo GP3000 jump starter. It's gone down in price and it's relatively good on offer. A good price of £60 at the moment at Amazon in the UK. Let's see what it comes with. So it comes with this soft carry case. I was hoping it'd be a hard shell, but hey ho. You've got obviously the connectors there. These look quite robust. These are nice and thick and weighty, and the connector is itself very good, and you got your nice little boost button here, nice and thick, rather than the previous generation where it was on the side and it says teeny weeny little button, so you can't see in the dark. But they've improved it, so that's good, and it's robust, and it comes with a couple of cables. So you got the cable to use this as a power bank and then charge your mobile, and then you got the USB-C connection there, so you can charge it at the mains. It doesn't come with any auxiliary socket. You can do it through that, but you don't need it. You charge this like a mobile phone. It says fully charged before use, so I've already done that. So when you charge it, the lights come up. I'll show you what I mean. So they go up like this. As you do that, as it's charging the pulse, and then when it's fully charged, they turn off. So that's how you know it's fully charged. And right now, obviously, I could see all four bars there. She's ready to go. Oh yes, let me show you. Look, you got flashlight, you got the two USBs there, and you got a Type-C out to charge it, just like a mobile phone. It's not that heavy, but looks very robust, well built. And then if we look at the spec, I know it says up to 9 litre gas and 7 litre diesel, but these are the specs. You're looking at 59.2 watt battery capacity, 600 amp starting current, not too bad, 3000 peak amps, so that should be plenty good enough for most cars. I would say up to 2 litre petrol and 2 litre diesel, but let's see. I've got a totally dead Touran that's been sitting for, I would say, about 8 months, so it is proper dead. Let's see if this can jumpstart it. So here I am in this Touran, and as you can see, totally dead. Let's see if we can get it sorted. So I've got it connected up, as you can see, to the negative and the positive cable. So now it's flashing green correct, so that means I've got it done. Press boost. There we go, we've got 30 seconds. Let's see if it works. Is it strong enough? Wow, look at that. First time it works. With the VWs, you get those signs when the car's just been jump started from a flat battery, so you have to do recalibrate. Oh, it's dead, it's dead. Okay guys and girls, so obviously it has started it, but if I let go, it turns off. So what these Gooloo Lithium type jump starters do, they just give that initial power but don't really continue it on, and so the car will just turn off. So look what happens. Look, it's struggling. I've got to press the gas now to try and get the car's alternator to try and charge the battery. So if you left it, it will just die. So do bear that in mind, everyone. So now, after a few minutes of keeping the rev going at around 2,500 RPM, the car's been able to steady itself. But as you can see from the lights there, it's still not fully charged. So with something like this, do not drive off, because the car will shut off. So what you need to do is just leave it running, and something like this, when it's dead, you need to leave it running for at least 40 minutes to an hour just to get the battery fully charged up. And once you've done that, go for a long motorway drive for another half an hour to an hour, and that should be that.